Miss you. Yeah. You when you gone.
Reaction.
Tyrekevlogs. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. For you guys right now we have Grenada. What's poppin'? We're here for you right now. We have a song called When You're Gone. Artist called Kasper. Is it me? I say Kasper? Kasper? You messing up people. You messing up people. Go follow Kasper on Instagram at Kasper Music with a Q. Or subscribe to YouTube channel also. Kasper Music with a Q at the end. Kasper Music spell with a Q. Not that C. You don't know that great. Because see what I go and stick with a singer. Right now I want to see BFI emoji in the comment section. Tear up the like button. And you know it's a music video. And guess what? We see the teaser. And there's a female in. Say no, so the reaction was outside. We ain't going crazy right now. If you're new to the channel, people, please make a like and subscribe to the channel also. Like the most lit channel, the most lit reaction channel for the entire Caribbean, like the entire Caribbean. Let's go check our channel. Run through. So what's popping? Alright. Okay. Okay, they're going in detail with this video. Alright. Oh! We like the video already. We love this already. Me love. Me talk to him. Me talk. Me love this already. Cause female she take to go on. Me love what me I look on this too. Yeah. Yeah, I love it.
Right now? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Come on. You can't keep doing this. You know what? I can't do this. I can't. I'm leaving.
Yeah, bro. Make sure you think the man come smart little pum pum and thing and go and brawl with the pum pum. The shake come and get up and all that. I beat up for Johnny right there, son. Yo, I tap on my nice tone. Cause I Joe think this in a dog. Joe think this in a dog. Man come in after month and road for the whole night dog and found in 7 o'clock in the morning. And she don't want to beat John. Give me a little pump up. Hey, go on.
And I'm taking this as well. Yes, I am.
She thick though. She look good though.
Yeah. Bye.
Dog, you tell her break up the easy though. For more, eh?
Wildlife.
Sure. Shout out to Wildlife.
No more time I just have to kick back and like that all the good, the bad.
Big up east side too, yeah.
I love you. When you fly. I love that. When you smile, when me look in your eyes.
Yeah.
Bright, it's a brighten up my life.
Yeah.
Me a prefer make my wife.
Yeah.
Time me a try. Me tell you this, I will never leave your side.
Not at all. So dog, where they do out a road then dog? Where they do out a road then dog? Them time of night then dog. John, now she gone and you have to make a song about her. You miss the pum pum. You want to wife the pum pum and the pum pum gone. John. Straight.
I'm gonna miss you when you gone.
I miss you. Yeah.
I'm gonna miss
You when you gone. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You got a mind of a bus chick, very clever. I'm a king in the streets, living cheddar.
Big up the man them out the way, love the woman them, yeah man. This is me say, big up the man them out the way. We change a little bit. You can't change fully for them, you know. You can't change your whole life for them, but big up the man them out there. But love the woman them, you see me I say. That's something I really needed. I'm like that something. You're brave. You see me I say, you're brave. You make this and you say, yo, you're gonna miss her when she gone. You're not gonna say you miss her because she gone. You're gonna miss her when she gone. You see me I say, so you're smart. You make sure you say, hey, if you left me, I'm gonna miss you. Say, wait, tell me, you know. You see me I say, yeah, we love that. Go on.
You know how we roll, like Bonnie and Clyde. I just how it goes.
Yeah.
Girl, me woulda
Never ever this yo.
straight loving. That me a
Oh, sorry, Miss Lucky girl a while ago. Sorry. It's you when you gone.
me tell you say me miss you. Girl, me woulda
Never ever this yo.
straight loving. That me a give you.
She ain't loving.
I'm gonna miss
Sorry when she gone.
Me love that when you smile, when me look in at your eyes.
What?
Always bright, it's a brighten up my life.
What?
Girl, you me a free to make my wife.
Yeah.
Long time me a try.
me tell you this. I will never leave your side.
Yeah.
No matter what, we are right.
No, I don't like that. I like that singer. I like that singer. I have to run back and sing. Look, I like that singer. I like that video too. You see me? I say, remember the people. First, Grenada thing in there. If I was start the Grenada thing, I will start off with. We start off with the cutlass thing, the blade thing, them and them thing, the dog. You see me? I say, dog. And then at one point, dog, I'm saying, I want some girl song now. I want some female. Sorry, I apologize. You know, that's how we talk over here. So the girl, whatever it's called, females girl. So I want some females in the videos now. You see me? I say, I want some big body woman and thing and thing. And somebody that say. Then, bro, got go drop a song with a girl tonight called Butterfly. And I say, Bumbuck, yes, and this we are talking about. I know, see, Bumbuck, he Kasper step out right there. So you see me? I say, so my first time I hear about Kasper still, you see me? I say, people go check out Kasper. Instagram, Kasper Music, spell with a Q, not a C. Also on YouTube. Everything down below in the description of the video. Go check him out for yourself. You see me? I say, go show some support. Blow up the song your dog. You have a song and a music video. And it sound good. And it lit. You would have never known say about Bumbuck like Grenada dog. If I never turn on say Grenada put in the title of the video. You see me? So go check him out. Make him say the reaction was selling to anyone who go free. You see me? So get a song you listen dog. That's how I miss her when she gone. You know what? Run the tune, vibe with the tune. Like up the video so they can recommend to more people so that more people can know about the Bumbuck thing what going on right now. You hear me I say? Excuse my French. Run tune. Run tune. Alright now.
When you smile, when me look in at your eyes.
Everything.
Always bright, it's a brighten up my life.
Alright.
Girl, you me a free to make my wife.
Alright.
Long time me a try.
Me tell you this. I will never leave your side.
Man at all.
We are right. Outside, it's like you cut it with a knife. I will leave me a man inside.
I miss you. Never ever this you.
Straight loving, adapt me a give you.
Ooh.
I'm gonna miss
See you when you gone. Tell me miss you. Would I never ever this you.
straight loving, adapt
Me I give you. I'm gonna miss you when you gone. I have a song called Wake and Bake. What? Me say when she gone. When she know. She called her little friend and she cut left her dog. You see me? I say big up to everybody right there. So big up to Kasper, big up Kasper, big up Tiny's. Oh, that's she name Tiny. Big up she. Big up everybody. You see me? I say about people. Go check out the song for yourself, the video for yourself. Go over there, go make sure the reaction bar send you over this. So go leave a like, a comment, a subscribe. Go follow him on Instagram, every single thing. Or you know about to support somebody. Share it to your friend, your family, everybody where you breathe oxygen. You know that girl. Reaction boss! Signing out. Peace. Big up Hideout Clothing.